update. Welcome back to Morris's Corner. This is what it looks like now, and the snow has stopped. It's getting windy and very cold now. Usually does after a snowstorm like this. But the cars, you can't even tell the cars. There's so much snow on them. And we're still snowed in. We haven't been rescued yet. I'm lucky I have friends that will come and help me out. Look at these snow drifts. It's beautiful out here though. Beautiful. I hope everyone's safe and okay where you are. This is a beautiful sight, very beautiful. Kind of scary in some ways too, because I hope everyone has a way to get out. Hopefully we're not going to be snowed in too long. It's a lot of snow though, and the town is kind of shut down, but I hear cars now. I'm near a highway, so there are definitely cars going. I can hear them. Before there was nothing, and they had to plow, but it's getting cold, definitely. Hope everyone is safe, and all the animals and the babies. I know there's some strays out there, and I hope they're protected, and all the wildlife, because I love animals. Big animal lover. I wish everyone a happy holiday, and hope everything goes well for everyone, and better. Hopefully it will. Well, thanks for tuning in to my channel. I appreciate it, and I hope you like some of the things that I will be posting. This is my second video, and I'm learning, so kind of be patient, okay? But I'm trying to put on content that people would like to see and things to talk about. Have a great rest of the day. It's around 4 o'clock now. I'm on the East Coast, so where you are, if you're tuned in, you're probably either somewhere else or maybe around here too. But I wish you all well and good luck, and get through this storm safe. Bye.